nasty. God dang. That aftertaste after I ate dinner, ugh. I need to brush my teeth. But, oh, hey, YouTube. Hey, yo. I got something to show y'all. This is what I was trying to tell y'all, in my vlogs earlier, a couple days ago. I took out the artifacts from the stems and the instrument in a D-mix. So, I don't want to make a tutorial about it. I just want to show you that I can do it. This is what I did. Look. I'm going to do this. Quick video. Okay. So, hold on. Let me check something real quick. No, yeah, hold on. Alright, so that's what I was talking about. I took out the artifacts. All I gotta do is export it. I already used the sample. I already used the instrument and the sample in the beat that I was making. And it made it sound okay. It made it sound pretty decent. It made it sound alright. It's I mixed it. So I know how to mix, so just in case I made some dope out of it. And thank God I figured out how to take out the artifacts. Cause all I really did was take this instrument. I took the song and I put it in Edison and I saved sample as I thought I put it in Edison and I took that and I put the song in a D-mix. And that's what sound I got out of it, and it took out the artifacts. And that sound that you heard, that was actually from Mike Sonona, and I forgot the name of the song. But that's what I was using. It's like an industry instrumental, an industry song that I used. And I took out the artifacts and I'm happy. So I'm the only one with this blog. I'm the only one with this video that I took the song, put it in a D-mix, and I did this. Look, this is what I did. See? Boom. Look. So got the drums, right? Look. Look, y'all. Yo. The drums is knocking. See? Yo, so now I can sample that joint. Heck yeah. I love music. I love rap music. I love R&B. I love making beats. I love everything about music I know. I know what I know. It's that workflow, baby. Yeah.